Hey guys! If you guys are watching this, that means you found our channel. And you know what we're gonna do today? We're gonna do something special. Something different. We're gonna make something that everybody loves. And we're gonna... Shh, let's put this on. We're gonna make something that everybody loves. It includes glue, shaving cream, and all different goodies. We're also gonna tweak it with, what holiday is it that everybody dresses up to get candy? What is it?
Halloween, and I'm gonna be Annabelle.
Oh.
I'm gonna be Blue Ninja Turtle. No, I'm
Ninja
gonna
Turtle.
be, yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna be
So listen, there will be two parts to this video. Well, two different things to this video. First, gonna try and make some slime, and we're gonna have the kids find stuff inside the slime. And they'll show you all the cool things that I hid in it. Are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
Get started.
So let's get started.
First thing we're gonna put in it is glitter. So pick out the color glitter you want. You want purple?
I want purple.
Okay, what about you?
I want that one.
Orange? So then that means we just need with black.
It's okay.
I like black, that's okay. Let's just put a little bit in. Let's see. I think that's good enough. That's good?
Yeah,
That's good.
mix it.
Alright. Mix it up. No. Well, you can add one. You want to add one?
Yeah. I want my son to be fluffy. Like Willy Fluffy.
Sounds
Let's
good.
do mine fluffy too. Alright, let's mix it up.
Holes.
Yep. Yeah.
Mix it up good. So I'm going to actually add my glitter in before.
I'm not.
Serenity's going to wait.
I'm going to do mine. What is it?
That's the solution.
Wait, is it not black? Because like that thing, like what's your...
Well, don't use your hands. We're using spoons. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, can I
Stir
touch
it. No, use your spoon. All right, stir it up. See how it's, ooh, mine got a chunk in it. Stuff.
Wait, could you touch it?
Well, mine is like jelly. What is going on with this? Maybe I need some foam.
Mamma Mia! The pizza. Yeah, Mamma Mia Pizzeria.
Let me try
Mamma Mia
it.
Pizzeria.
This might be a fail.
Mama, know what I'm gonna be for Halloween?
What?
I'm gonna be Mario for Halloween.
You are? Ah! What kind of slime is this?
It's okay, I can tell you next time.
I guess you have to be a kid to make slime. Alright,
I'm making
now. This looks like poop. Alright, this is Surgeon slime, and it's turning out way better than mine.
Look at mine. Oh, look at I found the orange.
Oh, yours is good, Sunny. Keep mixing it. I'm gonna do red slime for blood.
Oh my. Wait, can I feel yours?
This, I did it.
I'm gonna
It's
feel it.
perfect. I'm gonna make a couple more different colors and then we can use it as a game. All right, let's try and find some ooey gooey stuff.
Found the eyeball. Found the eyeball, guys. I got a spider. You want a black spider? No. I got something. I think I got something. I got a spider, guys. You wanna see it? Can I keep keep it. You can keep whatever you want. Oh, I got a hand.
We found some icky spiders. And 2 eyeballs and a hand and 2 more spiders.
I got an ear. Got an ear. I got an ear too. What else? I got it. Is something else? Hey, look at my ear. What is this? Is this a nose? My nose. Oh, you have a nose, Susan. I got 2 noses. Got a Google eye. Make his nose.
Now for the final one, you guys gotta do it together, okay? Ready and go.
I found a brain. Slime stuck to the brain.
Oh no, the slime stuck to it?
Yes. The brain is bleeding.
The brain. It's a nice squishy brain. Should we cut it open and see what is inside?
Yeah!
Ooh, we cut it open. Ooh, what is this?
Wait, I want to feel it. Let me feel it.
Ugh.
I want to feel it.
Oh, it's like foam Play-Doh.
I want to keep this. Mine's like a Krabby Patty. Haha, Krabby Patty.
All right, last but not least, we have a fart putty. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a foot. Gross. This putty's the best though. Let me try this. Let's try our slime. There we go. See, look at our slime is better that we made. And last but not least, we have a Ooey Gooey. This looks real and it's so scary. What if it's real? It's not real. Oh, this is nice slime. Right here. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. We had so much fun making this for you. And thank you for all the love and support that you guys give to our channel. Please, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please click that button to subscribe. And we have lots of fun stuff coming up on our channel. Hope to see you guys real soon. And also, in the comments below, please let us know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. We would love to hear. Happy holidays, guys.